All right, guys, welcome back to the Sooner Challenge. It's 8:58, 8:59 right in there. Here's a picture of, or a video of the birds. There's a couple hundred birds there flying. There's several birds on top of the loft, as you can see, and there's already 255 birds that have trapped. I was just out here mowing the lawn. We've got some bad weather that rolled in, as you can see by the sky. And when I released them, it was pretty nice, but right now we've got some weather, and it's not raining yet or nothing, but even if it starts raining, they'll probably still fly for a while. But I'm really happy since all these birds got here this morning. This group here of about 200 birds is still flying really good. They're way over there now. I don't know if you can see them. I'm sitting on my zero-turn mower, as you can see. Anyways, got through mowing the grass. I mowed this over here about an acre, and I've got to do the other side of the yard. But it's really cool right now. The humidity's down a little bit, and the birds are feeling really good. We had them at 8.5 or 8.3 miles today, Brown, same station. And what we're gonna do is, I don't know if we're gonna train tomorrow. I imagine the dove hunters are gonna be out in force. We're in southeast Oklahoma. They don't always abide by the rules per se, so we'll give them probably till the weekend, holiday weekend, get their shooting out of their system, and then next week we'll resume training on Tuesday, more than likely. Probably go to Kennefic, which is their 15-mile station, and because they're feeling good, they're flying good, they look really good, they're acting good. Got a little breeze coming in now, so they're just kind of cruising into the wind. That wind's coming